When your StarTech docking station isn't working properly, effective diagnosis is the key to quick resolution. Most issues fall into three main categories that we can systematically identify and address. StarTech docking station problems typically fall into three categories. Display issues include no display output, screen flickering, or problems with multiple monitors. USB connectivity problems involve devices randomly disconnecting or USB ports not functioning. Power delivery issues occur when there's insufficient power to charge devices or run peripherals. Let's examine the root causes behind each category. Display issues most commonly stem from DisplayLink driver conflicts, which account for 60% of cases. Other causes include insufficient bandwidth allocation and cable compatibility problems. USB connectivity problems have different root causes. Power management settings often interfere with USB operation, while hub enumeration failures prevent proper device recognition. Bandwidth saturation occurs when too many high-speed devices compete for limited USB bandwidth. Power delivery issues typically involve insufficient wattage for connected devices, power negotiation failures between the dock and laptop, thermal throttling under heavy loads, or cable resistance problems that reduce power transmission efficiency. StarTech recommends the STAR diagnostic method for systematic troubleshooting. This four-step approach ensures thorough diagnosis. System check verifies operating system compatibility and updates. Testing isolates individual components. Analysis reviews device manager and system logs, and resolution applies targeted fixes based on findings. Keep your DisplayLink drivers updated to version 11.4 or higher for recent improvements. Remember that 70% of docking station issues arise from user configuration rather than hardware defects. Proper setup procedures can prevent most common problems, making systematic diagnosis your most valuable troubleshooting tool. Start troubleshooting with basic diagnostics. First, inspect all cables for damage and ensure they're properly connected. Look for bent connectors, frayed wires, or loose connections. Next, update your drivers and perform a power cycle. Restart your computer, unplug the docking station for 30 seconds, then reconnect it. This resolves many temporary connection issues. Check Device Manager for any devices with warning signs or error indicators. Look for yellow triangles or red X marks that indicate driver problems or hardware conflicts. For display problems, perform a clean DisplayLink driver reinstallation. Uninstall the current driver completely, restart your computer, then install the latest version from the manufacturer's website. For USB connectivity problems, configure power management settings. Disable the option that allows Windows to turn off USB devices to save power. This prevents random disconnections during use. Ensure you're using the correct USB-C cable specification. For multi-monitor setups, you need USB 3.1 or higher. USB 2.0 cables lack sufficient bandwidth and will cause display issues. Power delivery problems occur when your docking station doesn't provide enough wattage for all connected devices. Check that your dock's power rating exceeds the total power requirements of your laptop and peripherals. For persistent issues, consider advanced solutions. Modify power plan settings to prevent device suspension during video calls. Registry modifications may be needed for complex compatibility issues, and hardware analysis can identify component conflicts. Remember to work through troubleshooting systematically, starting with basic diagnostics and progressing to more advanced solutions only when needed. Most docking station issues can be resolved with proper driver management and power settings.